Hey guys, what's going on? Here to tell you about a snack that I picked up today that I really enjoyed. So I was actually working at a golf course today and I don't eat meat. Usually it's just hot dogs and hamburgers for lunch. But one of the guys that worked there said, "Oh, I'm sorry you don't eat meat. We don't really have anything, but would you like some chips?" And I'm like, "Yeah." I'm like, "Let me know what you have." So he had these and I was like, "Oh, I love potato chips." And I actually never tried Lay's baked before. I usually just eat like regular potato chips or like kettle cooked ones. But of course, I'm interested in eating things that are a little bit less fattening because I just got back from vacation and I was eating a lot of carbs and desserts and I'm trying to watch it a little bit, but I still love to eat snacks and stuff, of course. So me just eating vegetables is not realistic. I need some chips in my life. So Lay's baked are 65% less fat than regular potato chips. So you can definitely feel not as guilty about eating these as you would if you're eating, like, say, regular Lay's potato chips. Also, if you have kids and you need something to throw in their lunchbox or their backpack as a snack or give them as an after-school snack, this is definitely a way to feel less guilty because you're giving them something baked instead of something that would be fried. So this is definitely better for them. Guaranteed fresh until printed date, so not till December. And these are good, like, personal size bags. 140 calories per package. Potato crisps, net weight 1 1/8 ounce, 31.8 grams, and it is certified gluten-free. So there you go. Comes in just like an easy to open bag. Flip it over. Lay's baked, light, crispy, crunchy, sprinkled with salt, 65% less fat. Say hello to crunchy goodness. No artificial preservatives or flavors, so just another reason to, of course, feel less guilty about eating a snack that you love. 0 grams of trans fat. So I'm not gonna lie, I do like regular potato chips more, so I'm not gonna say like, oh, that these are, you know, just as good or whatever. I'm not gonna lie to you, but they are really good. And just if you're comparing them to regular chips, you know, then you probably might be a little bit disappointed. But they have this, like, I don't know how to explain it, like a little bit of a different texture than a regular potato chip. And like usually when you have a regular potato chip in your hands will start to feel greasy. You don't get that at all with this. I'm sure, you know, less oil and stuff, maybe because it's baked or whatever, but they remind me more of a cracker than a potato chip. Crunchy, so if you like that crunch in your chip like I do, that's definitely still there. And they really are delicious. But like I said, nothing compares to real potato chips for me, but they are delicious and I am trying to, like, watch what I eat. And I know that these are definitely better because they're a lot less fat and of course they're baked and not fried. So 1 serving per container. The serving size is 1 package. 140 calories. Total fat 4 grams. Saturated fat 0.5 grams. Trans fat 0 grams. Polyunsaturated fat 2 grams. Monounsaturated fat 1 gram. 0 cholesterol. 180 milligrams of sodium. 24 grams of carbs. Dietary fiber 2 grams. Total sugars 3 grams. Including 2 grams of added sugars, protein 2 grams, so on and so forth. Vitamin D 0, calcium 10 milligrams, iron 0.3 milligram, potassium 250 milligram. Go to the ingredients because that's definitely important, of course. Dried potatoes, cornstarch, corn oil, sugar, sea salt, soy lecithin, dextrose, and annatto extracts. Contains soy ingredients, so if you have a soy allergy, you of course have to be careful, or I'm sorry, not careful, but you wouldn't be able to have these, unfortunately. And then Frito-Lay is located in Plano, Texas. So questions or comments? Phone number: 65% less fat than regular potato chips. Fat content of regular potato chips is 10 grams per 1 ounce serving. Fat content of these snacks is 3.5 grams per 1 ounce serving, and this package contains 1.125 ounces. So Consistency is nice. Has that nice crunch to it, delicious flavor. But if you're not sure if you're gonna like them because you just love regular potato chips so much, just want to tell you they, to me, aren't as good. I love regular potato chips, but they definitely are a delicious snack, and they have that crunch that I love that regular potato chips have, but a different, grainier texture, almost the texture of a thin cracker. That's kind of what it reminds me of. But honestly, they are really tasty, and I definitely enjoyed them, and I definitely will purchase them, and I will recommend them to people for sure. So that's Lay's baked potato chips. Hope you guys try them and love them. Thanks for watching.